partiers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am going to be showing you how to do some butterfly centerpieces because spring is coming in, you guys, and butterflies are the trend. So let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys, so I have cut my ribbon. So what I'm going to do now is glue it around my bundle of diapers. So I'm going to hot glue mine, you guys. Okay. Okay. So, see you guys. I got my ribbon around my bottom. So now, the top. What am I talking about? Okay, so let's do the bottom, you guys. I'm going to do it the same way. And I have already cut out my ribbon and stuff, so I'm just going to hot glue it down. I'm going to grab another glue stick because I have a smaller glue gun, you guys. And it holds a very small amount of a glue stick. Okay, and I'm just going to put my glue there. And I want to make sure that it's even. Okay. Okay, see, guys, I got my ribbon around the bottom. And now what I'm going to do is stack these. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these shreds and I'm going to glue them around my Diapercake. I'm just going to spray. And I'm going to place my shreds around here. This is why I said that it cannot be given as a usable gift, you guys. Because you're putting glue and everything on there. Keep spraying around. And putting my shreds on here. And I'm just going to go around and around until I have finished putting my shreds on. You guys, I used to do this. I used to make diaper cakes a lot. All types of themes. And it was fun. But people never wanted to pay. So I kind of stopped doing it until I find the right people to purchase from me, at least. Okay. And the top I'm going to do too, you guys. So, and I swear you guys, I'm trying to make this video so fast. I don't want it to be long. And I'm going to spray up here. I'm just going to drop my shreds. You guys. So I got my shreds in there. You guys see? And I'm going to put it on my... Well, no, I'm not going to put it on my plate yet. So I'm just going to straighten these shreds up and I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pretty butterflies and I'm just going to glue them where I want them to go. So I'm going to start down there. And I'm just going to keep going up and around. I might leave that one right there, you guys. Okay. And I'm going to keep going around, gluing my butterflies, you guys. And like I said, this is a really easy centerpiece idea, you guys, that you can do. Okay. So I have glued my butterflies on. See, you guys, that is so cute. So let's put it on our cake plate and see how it looks. So I'm going to set it up on my cake plate. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished diaper cake. And as you can see, it's very pretty, you guys. Very pretty. Let's get it up. And this butterfly I kind of just set up there on the top, but the rest of them I glued down. And I'm going to turn this around. See, I even did the back of it. I'm going to turn it back around, side, all the way to the front. Here's the front, you guys. And remember the little vases I made? If you guys are new to this video, go back and watch this video where I made these glasses. The matching ones, see? So, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And like I say in each of my videos, I will party with you guys next time. Bye.